Who do I call if it ain't you? Who to call if it ain't you? I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do, let's slow down. Let me talk to you, don't tell me about your worries. I ain't staying till the afternoon. I like you in proximity, but
Alright, it is about 12 o'clock and I'm gonna be eating lunch soon, but my break isn't scheduled until 12:45. So until then, I'm just gonna eat some fruit. Like I have some blueberries in the fridge, and then I'm just gonna be chugging water. I try to drink 2 of these a day, which are, this is my Amazon half-gallon water bottle. I like that it has a straw. So I try to drink 2 of these a day, and I usually by 12 o'clock try to like not have any coffee left. I just like don't like drinking coffee all day. It doesn't make me feel that great. But yeah, I'm just gonna snack on some fruit while I finish up some of my work and drink lots of water.
got up you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirlooms. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirlooms. Calculating all the aftermath. Now when nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my drink, concealing all my doubts. I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live without. I hear you calling my name, feelings we couldn't contain, faults that we had were made. There really no one to blame. Ashes that came from blame. I trust you, but no one's a raise. If I could, I call you, I tell you I need you. I wouldn't know what else to say. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
I just finished the quesadilla. I give it an 8 out of 10. That's my first time making it. I kind of just like grabbed some ingredients, threw it together. The only thing I wish I had done is add avocado somehow. And I had some sliced up deli ham. I was gonna cook it in with the egg and the cheese and I forgot. I wish I would have done that. So maybe tomorrow or later this week I'll cook it. But overall it was really delicious. If you're not like a mustard fan like I am, I know that's like a really weird combo, maybe try salsa. Love a good salsa like with my breakfast food. So yep, I'm just going to keep drinking my water until maybe like a snack a little bit later. Hello everyone, I just clocked out of work and I'm going to get a snack. I'm probably gonna eat some strawberries and almond butter. I think we have some, yeah. Strawberries and almond butter. It's like my favorite little snack when I want something sweet but I don't want to cheat and eat sugar. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut up some strawberries really quick and eat it with some almond butter. Hello you guys, I just got home from working out. Cody took Sugar on a little walk and I am needing to drink more water. I did not drink nearly enough during my workout. Sometimes I don't know, I'm just not thirsty and the last thing I want to do is just chug water while I'm working out. It's so bad. I drank about that much. This is my second one today. So when I finish this, it'll be a gallon. Just like an easy dinner, something that I can quickly make because it's 8:15. So we always buy these cauliflower pizzas. We get them at Walmart. Walmart is the best place to get the cauliflower pizzas because they're the cheapest place to get them. I eat the Living Life on the Veg, which is just the veggie one, and then Cody just has the regular pepperoni. So I'm gonna pop these babies in the oven. I always like to cook my pizzas on the high or the longest time that it gives because I like mine a little crisp. I don't like the doughy fall apart, none of that. I'm gonna pop these in and just have a quick little din.
Tracing secrets in your heirlooms.
Fresh out the oven. going to make a sweet potato. I'm gonna heat this up, and then I think I'm gonna I probably am gonna make a quesadilla but flip it over so it's only half of one, because doing 2 tortillas was a lot and I was super full. I really want a sweet potato with some cheese on it, so I'm gonna heat that up and I'm gonna make half a quesadilla. Alright, here is the lunch. I know it's looking a little orange on my plate, but I didn't have a good avocado to cut up, so I couldn't add any greens. Have a sweet potato with just a little bit of cheese and garlic salt, and then this is the quesadilla with the ham and cheese and the siete and flour tortillas, and then obviously my mustard, and it's that kind that's like the stone ground mustard seed mustard. So good. If you're a mustard fiend like I am, you gotta try it. What is up, you guys? I am a sweaty mess, and that is because I just got home from working out. But before I hop in the shower, don't worry, I've already washed my hands and rinsed off my face. I'm gonna throw on a pot of my famous turkey chili. This chili my mom has literally made my whole childhood, and it's so good. I like just like on days where we like work out later, throw on a pot of chili on the stove, cook it on simmer like for 20 minutes. I like refresh, go shower and all that. Super easy. So that's what I'm gonna throw together, and I will be right back once I have all the ingredients together. Here is everything after I mixed it all together. I just added the seasoning pack and the 1 cup of water. I might need to add a little bit more water because it looks pretty thick. I'm going to crank it up on high, and we're gonna boil it for about 10 minutes. All right, everything is prepped and ready to go. We got our bowls. I'm gonna fill them with some quinoa first. Normally we do brown rice, but I honestly just forgot to get some brown rice at the store, so all we have is quinoa. Here is the setup. I forgot to record the first part, but I added jalapenos, red bell pepper, tomatoes, and avocado, and then the chili and quinoa's underneath. And Cody likes it even more spicy, so he adds some habaneros.
It's not ripe all the way through, but it's still gonna be pretty spicy.
He's wild. Sugar is going no spice.
Definitely more than jalapeno.
Just kibble.
And I like
Hello you guys, happy Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. I have a quick little 15-minute break from work, so I'm just gonna eat a pickle really quick. Pickles and like nuts are probably my like go-to snack during the day. Love a good dill pickle. I usually eat cashews as my like nut of choice, I guess you would say. For lunch, I'm probably gonna heat up my leftover chili that I made last night. I'm like pretty simple. I don't like to make super like difficult things during lunch and like snacks during the day, just because working a job that you have like allotted time breaks can get, you really just like want to heat something up quick and like be able to actually enjoy your break. I don't like to cook every single day, so I'm just gonna heat up my turkey chili for lunch today, and I'm so excited because it sounds so good. My lunch is at 12:30, so I got 2.5 hours. I will see you guys then. It's almost 1 o'clock and I just heat up my chili. That's gonna spill if I show you. But soup, like second day heating up, is so much better than right when you make it. That might be an unpopular opinion, but good morning. It is Thursday morning. I just made me an iced coffee the same way that I've been making it all week, and I'm so tired. I don't even get up early for work. I get up at 7, but just something about me, like if I don't go to sleep by at least 10, I am dragging to get out of bed. I do not understand what it is. But yeah, I went to bed at like 11:30 and I'm like, couldn't even wake up. So I made coffee. For dinner last night, we had spaghetti squash and marinara sauce. I completely forgot to film that. My brain can't even like comprehend words right now. So yeah, that's what we had for dinner. I'm probably gonna eat the rest of the leftover chili for lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. We'll see. It's the end of the road for what I eat. Need to wake up. Good morning. I have a quick 15-minute break, so I made some of those paleo waffles. I ate them plain, but honestly, I just know they would be bomb with some syrup, but no sugar for me, guys. Yeah, I'm just eating this as a quick little snacky. Sugar says, it's time for lunch. Are you hungry? Gotta eat your kibble. The littlest black lip. You are so cute. I love you so much.
One time, we fell right into each other. Couldn't pull myself away, and I know love